Hey guys and girls. In the last video we were talking about the Seadweller, right? Well, there are a couple other variations aside from that 40mm and the 43mm of the watch here on the right. They've also made a deep sea version of the Seadweller, and as you can imagine, the deep sea has a higher level of water resistance, where the original Seadweller is good up to 4,000 feet, it's around 3/4 of a mile. And the deep sea is good down to 12,800 feet, over 2 miles. I don't know how deep you guys are swimming, but this one can go down pretty much all the way. They make another variation of this called the James Cameron edition. And of course, he was an individual that took this watch and actually went down very, very deep into the ocean. And they've actually kind of taken some cues from what he experienced. As the light fades as you get deeper and deeper into the ocean, it becomes more of a black, and they have totally captured that in their design of the dial on this watch. Come check them out at SwissWatchExpo.com.